the RQWL train. 4 and 5 trains are not running in Brooklyn.
So what do we do now? Wait for 6 train. What's up? Yo, what's good 6 train? I'm good. So where's the party? Atlantic Avenue. Alright, bet.
So let's hop on a 4 train to Brooklyn. Where are we getting off?
Back to Atlantic Avenue since no trains are running in Manhattan.
This is a Crown Heights bound 4 train. The next stop is Nevins Street.
The stop after Nevins.
This is Nevins Street. Transfer is available to the 2 and 3 trains. This is a Crown Heights bound 4 train. The next stop is Atlantic Avenue Barclays Center.
Next stop.
This is Atlantic Avenue Barclays Center.
Transfer is available to the D, N, Q, and R trains. Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad.